this is the place where we stay here in Amed. So over here is our swimming pool. The chick want to swim, and our villa is this one. Let's go. So our villa have 2 rooms and private kitchen. Have fun here in the kitchen area and dining, kitchen and dining area. This is the sink, and then we also have some stove here and water dispenser plus fridge. Also have some, here is rice cooker, blender, and then toaster, bread toaster. Let's go first in our room where me and the kids stay. Oh, Luchik already there swimming. He already started swimming. Okay, let's go to my room. I also have some fan here, some table and chair with sofa. So this is our room. Me and the kids stay here. We'll just switch on first. Like this. So have aircon but no fan. Adeline is sleeping. She's very tired. So I put some towel so she don't make the bed dirty, because I don't know if she still have some sand on her body. So I put the towel. Wardrobe area. This one. And this is our toilet and bath. Shower. Let's go to Archie's room. Oh wait, I will close first the light. Luchik very happy. Actually, he's jumping there. Over there is very deep. Oh no, he returned here. This one is not deep, this area. But over there is very deep already. So let's go to Archie's room. I mean the same also with me. He also like this. He also have like sofa and chair. This is his room. So this is from our friend. This is for stargazing, but I don't know if today have star, because yesterday don't have star. It rained. Yeah, yesterday was raining. So this is Archie's room. He also have some aircon but no fan. And then he requested this table for working, table and chair for working area. And then I cannot go there. It's just the same. He's taking shower. You're taking shower or no?
No, actually it's not water.
No, I thought he's taking shower.
You can show. You can show.
Yeah, because we have problem when we arrive here. No.
Yeah,
water.
they just fix it. Yeah.
So this is his toilet and bath. and his shower. Same also like this with me. Same concept. Still don't have bath. I still don't feel hot.
You don't feel?
Yeah,
No.
it's already hot. Yeah, from this area.
But not too hot. No, maybe we wait a little longer. Let's wait a little longer. It's warm. Maybe become more hotter, yeah.
But here, we notice the water here is not strong. You see only like this.
Yeah.
So you wait until it's hot back to check.
Yeah, I want to see the most as possible, yeah.
Yeah, so this is the place where we stay. We also have some spacious garden here. This is a shared space. So
Yeah, and pool, it's swimming pool, yeah.
maybe I show. So we are renting this, and then over there, here, they have 2 rooms. This also have private kitchen. Yeah. And then the other side also. So total 6. This one is 2. Yeah, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Because this one is like the biggest one with 2 rooms. Yeah. But right now we're the only guests staying. Yeah, we don't know if some guests will come. The chick very happy. Wait. Oops, he jumped already. He's very happy with swimming pool. All the time looking forward to go home. And then when he wake up also, he want to swim. Yeah, he like to swim here. Oops, naughty. You see, he's very happy. This is not deep, this area. But over here, it's already deep. This one. This area is deep. Happy boy. He loves to swim.